Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial unreveals the secret behind creating mesmerizing marble nail art with a stunning reflecting effect. Dive into the step-by-step process from applying the base gel polish to crafting intricate thunder-like curves. Once done, cure it for 30 seconds under the UV light. Enhance the design with a unique glowing effect using a DIY pink gel polish merged with top coat, creating a captivating see-through illusion. Witness the magic as layered of white and pink gel polish gracefully blend together, creating a stunning lead thunder design. Now, for a crucial step, repeat the process by applying another layer of white gel polish onto the design you have created. Watch as each layer of white and pink gel polish intertwines, resulting in a beautiful layered thunder design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. Stay tuned and keep those nails looking fabulous. Thank you for your support.